your mind is.
What's going on? Welcome back to the channel. Like in the title, I said we found the fix to the ambient lighting. But I'm kind of walk you through like the symptoms. So I'm turning the power on real quick. Alright, welcome back to the channel. Today we're going to be talking about the ambient lighting in this 2012 BMW X5. Right, so there's supposed to be lights in the passenger doors, right, all the way across the dash. That's the only one that works. And then also under the we call it the door rail or whatever, and then in the footwells, right? So I'm in the infotainment right now under lighting. If you select, so I got it on blue, white, blue. So what that's saying is it's supposed to be blue all the way across, right, towards the back. And then it's supposed to be white under the armrest right there, right? And then blue in the footwell, right? So I saw a whole bunch of forums that talked about checking fuses. I couldn't find a fuse, right? I didn't want to pop all the, the doors off, trying to figure out a lighting issue, right? And I took it to the dealership. They said they didn't really give me a price, but it calls for diagnosis and whatnot. And then I tried resetting the infotainment system. That didn't work. Power cycling, taking the battery cable off, whatever, still didn't work. But then I'll tell you what I did to fix it, right? So on the passenger side over here, there is a, so I can get some light. On the passenger side, on the bottom, there is kind of where they replaced the cabin air filter, I believe. But if you take that down, hold on. All right, cool. So here I am on the passenger side of the car, right? And under the bottom, right here, right, you'll see there's 3 of these, right? You just twist them, hey, and then gently pull this down, and then you'll see this light right here, right? Footwell light, and there's a connector that wasn't connected. So these lights are in series, kind of like Christmas lights. So if one's not connected, then it like breaks the circuit. Let me plug it in real quick. It's hard to do this with one hand. Okay, there we go. I should plug that in, the click, right? And then now you'll see the lighting across, right? And then also in the back. Right. And then your wheel wells are lit, right? Because remember I chose blue, white, blue. There's my blue, blue. And then there's the white, which is kind of like dim, but when it's pitch black, it works. You have white down here. So I hope I help somebody out there. Like and subscribe to the channel for more. Until next time.
Bitch, I wanna party like Chris Farley.